for example, and we want to go to the explore area, and I want to show you how we can come up with something we call a mind map. Okay, so we can call this, we right click, we open the mind map, we can call this health issues. Okay, we click OK. So this thing will pop up here, this circle, or let me draw social issues, which has at least 2 codes. Okay, so social issues, I go to code properties, I just want to copy this. Okay, then I double click on this area, I press Ctrl V, I paste. This is just a way to visualize. So these are called mind maps in NVivo. So we have one level there. Remember, we have 2 codes contributing to the theme of social issues: poor relationship with neighbors, conflict with spouse. Now I want to click on these social issues and go to child. Again, click on the social issues and go to child. I develop themes under, or this is the way I insert the codes under social issues. Again, I go to poor relationship with neighbors, I copy, I double click, I press Ctrl V, and then I go to conflict with spouse, I copy, then I double click, Ctrl V. Now these are the 2 causes, or the 2 codes that contribute to social issues theme. And the social issues theme is one of the causes of stress among pregnant mothers in urban low-income areas. So I can resize, or I can remodel this mind map by coming here on my left and then choosing the second option here on my left, the top left. So again, we can see this is the theme of social issues with 2 codes: poor relationship with neighbors, conflict with spouse. Again, I can press Ctrl A, and then I can format this mind map in black and white. So the first thing I'll do is to change the fill. So I want to change the fill to white. Then the next thing I'll do is to change the borders to black. Okay, and then the next thing I'll do, if you go to the font color here, I can change it to black. Okay, then I can go to this area and I can use Times New Roman font size 12. Okay, so that's how you format this mind map. And then I can highlight on social issues and press on bold to show that this is a theme and these are codes. And we can export this mind map here and we can call it number 2. And if you go to our folder, you'll see number 2. This is an image we can use in our report. So